Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam, question number 43 in Electronics Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please refer to page 426. In a dry cell, the chemical energy, which ultimately becomes DC electricity, is contained in what? And then we're given 5 different choices. Well, all dry cells have one thing in common. They store energy in chemical form and convert it into electricity. The chemical energy is stored in this stuff between the electrodes right here, called the electrolyte. That's usually something like a paste. In a dry cell, it's not really completely dry. It's kind of a paste, kind of like what you'd get if you mixed flour and water. This particular cell is known as a zinc-carbon cell. You can still find these. They're very easy to make, cheap to make. You'll still find them, although alkaline cells are more common. They're called zinc-carbon because the negative electrode, the case, is made of zinc. The positive electrode is made of carbon and runs down the middle of it. And a cell provides about 1.5 volts. But the chemical energy in one of these things is always contained in this electrolyte. And eventually, that electrolyte will wear out. It will get tired. All of the chemical energy in it will be depleted, and then the cell will be dead. Generally speaking, a zinc-carbon cell like this cannot be recharged, so once it's dead, it's not just sleeping, it's dead for good. But anyway, the correct answer to this question is D. The electrolyte contains the chemical energy which ultimately becomes DC electricity.